Hey, it's Reuven Lerner. It's 2020. It's a new year. It's a chance for a new start on improving your Python fluency. This year, I'll be running 6 different cohorts of weekly Python exercise to help you improve your Python. 3 for beginners and 3 for more advanced users. Starting in just a few days, I'll be opening weekly Python exercise A1, what I call data structures for beginners. If you've been struggling with the methods for strings and lists and tuples and dictionaries and sets, if you're not sure when you should use a list and when you should use a tuple and when you should use a dictionary, if you feel like you're going to Stack Overflow all the time to try out different possibilities and see what people suggest you use, that means you are a prime candidate for weekly Python exercise. Every week, you'll get a new exercise. On Tuesday, you'll get the exercise. On the following Monday, you'll get the solution. In between, you can use our private forum, ask me questions, ask others questions. There are also live office hours once a month. But the key thing is, don't wait. The course opens on January 14th. That's just a few days from now. And I won't be offering this version of weekly Python exercise until 2021, which sounds like it's really in the future, doesn't it? Join today. Find out more. Go to weeklypythonexercise.com, sign up, get our samples, ask me questions, and I hope to see you in just a few days when we start this new cohort.